Good morning, afternoon, evening. I don't even know what time of day it is. Welcome to Backyard Birds Weekly, and it's been a little bit, hasn't it? Well, it is a Friday. I usually don't film this on a Friday, and as you can see, I have put that feeder back out and filled it up. I still have not put out my tray feeder. I'm hoping to do that here next couple days. I wanted to give it a really good long time before I put it back out. Just to make sure that the sick birds moved off and didn't infect the other birds. Sorry. Hope this is loud enough. I'm not going to know until I play this on the computer later. But yeah, it's been a little bit, and it's been interesting. I certainly haven't seen as many birds, and as such I don't have a lot of pictures, and much to my chagrin I don't have a lot of great pictures, but we're just going to roll with what we got. The purpose of this channel isn't to be some great, edited, looking perfect video, just because I'm just not capable of doing that right now. The purpose of it is just to do it and get some pictures, and that's perfectly fine, because this is what it's really all about, just sitting here watching some birds. So yeah, I'm going to put out the tray feeder maybe this weekend, we'll see. It's just sitting right here for right now, getting some sun on the backside. It's been long enough. I'm surprised we've already got the fall colors coming out. So yeah, I'm going to try to get back into a normal schedule of recording in the near future, because I think that's good for me to have that kind of schedule regardless of content. And we don't want to get the neighbors' kids in there. And again, yeah, I've been putting up a lot of other stuff up in the channel, and that's been very fun for me. But again, this is always supposed to be about the birds, and we would do that. I am kind of aware, as the seasons change and as we get into our very mild Tennessee winters, that I'm not exactly sure what the bird watching, backyard birding is going to look like. I'm planning on putting up seeds all year round, but I don't know. I don't know what it's going to look like. We'll play it by ear. I really need to get out of the backyard and try to film stuff elsewhere. That's something I really want to do, and I need to do it. And that's what I plan on doing. I don't think anyone's touched this Nair seed since I put it out initially. So I think I'm going to take it down. It's probably already bad. I have no idea what the lifetime is on Nair seeds. It doesn't look great from here. Yeah, sorry, I'm all over the place. So that's it. I just wanted, I would definitely want to get the video out here in the next couple of days, so I'm doing this portion of the video. I do have some stuff that I like. I got a small handful of videos of Mockingbird singing, and that's pretty cool. And yeah, I haven't even really looked at the photos I have. I looked at those in the edit, and we'll put it up. And I'll call it there. I hope you guys are having a great day, great weekend, great fall. I'm going to try to get back onto a schedule. And yeah, have a great day. I'll talk to you later. let's take a look at those birds.
Yeah.